Finishing touches. So looking at this, it looks pretty good, except there are a few things that we need to refine just a bit. First, this vertical shaft for this glass is appearing very opaque. We should see some of the background behind it. So we're going to need to edit the mask once again on the bowl layer. So I'll just select the mask, and we could paint with, instead of a fully black, because we don't want to make it completely transparent, we could change this to like 84% brightness. So very light gray. And then once again, I'll make sure I'm using a very soft brush. Then I'll use my bracket keys to make the brush bigger. And we'll just brush in there to bring some of the background in. Then I just realized that we want to make sure that the bottom part is more opaque because there's more glass for it to go through. So this bottom part, this bottom kind of oval created here, that should be fairly opaque. So we'll just, I just pressed X and you can hardly tell it, but now I'm painting with white. All right, so we got our bowl and we got our refraction. One of the things we notice about this, the glass has a bit of a green tint to it. So the refraction should also have some kind of a tint to it. So let's select the refraction layer, and we're going to add just a color balance adjustment. So normally with a normal layer, we would do this using the adjustment layer. However, since this is a smart object, we can just go up to the image, adjustments, and color balance, and it adds it as a smart filter, which is great. This is non-destructive, so we can change our mind later. And what we want to do is just add a little bit of green. So we can play with these sliders here. Probably don't need to mess with this first one. But yeah, on this definitely we'll move that over to like 41 or so. There we go. And then that's a little too green. It should have a bit of blue as well. So we'll add some blue in there, trying to get it to match the glass color. Okay, so maybe 37. All right, great. Now our composite image is done. Congratulations.